Back again on the channel, and today we got Lenovo Z6 Lite. So this is the Lite version of Lenovo Z6, and I have to say that I like the box. It's very colorful, and before that this box was not sealed because probably they installed the global ROM on this Lenovo device. This box is all in Chinese, so I do not understand anything at all, except that the year is 2019 and the month probably is 7. So probably when was made. So this version is coming with 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 of storage. And because the box was not sealed, we can open it quite easy right now. Oops, that's it. And let's have a look. Designed by Lenovo, and we should have some yeah, this is the key to open that SIM tray. And what else we got? Everything is in Chinese, which I don't understand, so I don't know. This is all to be right. And we got a case, of course, for the phone. Yeah, we got a case like usual. They always put a case for the phone in the box, and probably this is the phone. We're gonna put it away. We got an USB cable right here, and what else we got? What's this? It's nothing. And we got the charger. Interesting. Which is not an European charger, of course. Yeah, and that's it in the box. So we got the charger, USB cable, we got that case for the phone, and that's it. A few papers. So let's peel this off somehow. Probably they put it back after they installed the global ROM. And this is the phone. I didn't remember what color did I order. Let's peel this off. Let's see. Yeah, it's off at the moment. So we got the fingerprint on the back, and we got something on the screen, like a screen protector. No, we don't. Okay, so this is the phone, Lenovo Z6. Okay, and now let's have a look on the phone, see what this phone is coming with. We got a grill speaker on the bottom and probably another one on the top right here. We got the jack audio on the bottom. Of course, we can charge this phone with that USB Type-C cable. We got the power button on the right and the volume for up and down. On the top, not too much, and we got the SIM tray right here, and let's have a look inside. And oh, different this time. So we got SIM 1, or we can add a micro SD or another SIM on the phone. So it's a dual SIM, and let's put this phone at work and let's have a look. Okay, Lenovo logo, powered by Android. Okay, so this one was released in May 2019. Yeah, the weight, well, it's not too bad. I mean, it's only 164 grams, and it's not that thick, if you can see. It's 7.9 millimeters. So, next, English. We got all the languages, if you can see right here. Wow, they put a lot of languages, yeah. So that's why the box was opened. English. Okay, let's start. Skip at this moment. Let's go through all these steps quick. All right. Let's say just the next at this moment. I don't like this. Don't like this. Accept. Add fingerprint. Let's add the fingerprint. So the fingerprint pattern, a simple one, and let's move on. So the fingerprint of this Lenovo Z6, it's on the back, and Let's have a look. How fast? Oh, that's it. Okay. Okay. Location consent. Next. And that's it. Oh, wow. Interesting. Look at this. I like it. Wow, interesting. And this is one of the best in the price for those specs that's coming with. And we're gonna find out what specs is coming with this phone. Google Play Protect is turned on. Connect to open Wi-Fi, not at the moment. So let's test that fingerprint. It's not that fast. See how, okay. It's not the fastest. Yeah, it's not that fast. Anyway, so the screen, it's an IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen. We got 6.3 inch with 83.7 screen to body ratio, and the screen is full HD with 409 ppi density. Also we got HDR10 on this device, which is great again for watching Netflix videos and YouTube, of course. Let's have a look. Inside we got a battery of 4050 milliampere, which can hold 31 hours on calling time. We got 60 hours on playing videos, and we got 13 hours on a gameplay. So if you want to play games, this is perfect for you. Also on the back we got a triple camera, and yeah, wait. Let's have a look. So we got a 16 megapixel, this one, main camera. We got an 8 megapixel camera with 8 times hybrid zoom. Wow, it's interesting. And we got another 5 megapixel for the background blur. And this is the double high flash. So we got 16 megapixel AI triple camera. Perfect. On the front, what we got on the front, we got this drop notch, which is like a water drop notch. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, probably. And let's go on the settings. Oh, this is different for me, but looks like any other menu on Android. On the system, not update, not update. Let's go on the system, about phone, and let's have a look. Oh, the device name Lenovo K10 Note. Why is that? I don't know. So probably when they installed that global ROM, this is not an original ROM. Anyway, so we got the Snapdragon 710, and this is on 10 nanometers, which is great for playing games. And we're gonna test that out in a further video. Lenovo version Android 9, and we got Android the security patch update. So we got Snapdragon 710, which is quite good. The GPU also, it's an Adreno 616. Okay, Wi-Fi, mobile network, Bluetooth, passcode and fingerprints. So we've seen that they support fingerprint on the back. Let's have a look, smart lock, if we can unlock on body detection with the face unlock, which I don't see it for the moment. 4D navigation key, or you can use this U touch. Wow. Yeah, interesting. Well, I don't like it personally. I always use the navigation key. Okay, let's find out notification and status bar. Allow notification dots, blink light, the battery. So we're gonna show us the battery, how much is left. Show network real-time speed also. So we're gonna see how much speed we're using. Browsing, of course. Display, let's have a look. Adaptive brightness, night light. Okay, you touch, sleep after 30 seconds, so you can modify 1 minute. Auto rotate, font size, more display settings. Double tap to power up the screen. Let's have a look. Come on. Oh yeah, okay, it's working. Let's find out one more time. Yeah, it's working, it's good. Prevent pocket dials, okay, is good again. Let's find out what else is coming. Battery, like I said, 4050 milliampere battery. And moving on, apps and notifications. 41 apps already installed. Security and location. We go location, install unknown apps, of course. And let's have a look. So like I said, on this water drop notch, we got a 16 megapixel camera, and we're gonna go on the menu in a minute. Let's see on this K menu also what we got. We got Wi-Fi, data, flashlight. It's using on the back. Moving on, lock screen, screenshot. Wow, interesting, good. Airplane mode, Bluetooth, silent location. We got the location on this phone. Auto rotate, no disturb vibration, calculator, camera, battery saver settings, night light. Yeah, wanna touch all. And this is all you've got. You got VPN also on this phone, and the split screen, so you can split your screen in two, so you can use two apps at the same time, which is great again. Moving on the camera, like I said before, let's have a look. Permission, I don't know. So this is the camera. Let's go on the settings and let's have a look. Okay, back camera 4 to 3. Back camera video, we can record. Oh, look at this. We can record on Ultra HD. We can record on 4K on this device, and the cost of this phone, it's only $150. Think about. Well, I did pay in pounds, 125 pounds, which is great for these specs, at least for the triple camera, for that Snapdragon 710, for the battery also, which is great again. Okay, so we can record on 4K, full 4K, Ultra HD, super quality, picture quality is clear, colorful, it's richer. Okay, that's it. So we got Pro mode. Okay, we got the dual mode. Okay, let me put something on here. We got photo. Okay, they said about, okay, zoom. They said about that 4, 6, 7, 8 times zoom. 8 times zoom, really, but was not that great. We'll test that out soon. I mean, a photo video. This is the video, and again we can zoom in. This time it's all right. 3 times. 3, 4 times it's maximum for video, and for the photo you've seen 8 times zoom, which is great. And this is the night time and the panorama, and that's it. Okay, it's interesting with that 8 times zoom hybrid on this Lenovo Z6, and we're gonna test that out soon. This is yeah, me. Yeah, great. Okay, let's move back and let's see what else we got. So we got that 16 megapixel on the front, which is a single camera. We got HDR, and it can record on full HD at 30 frames per second. Loudspeaker, like I said before, we got the 3.5mm jack and Dolby Atmos sound. We got the Wi-Fi, ABGN and AC. We got dual band, Wi-Fi direct and hotspot. We got the Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC. I haven't seen the NFC. Where is it? Security and location. I have to find that NFC. It does say it's coming with NFC. I haven't seen it, and it should be somewhere here. So I didn't find that NFC. So I don't know if it's wrong specs on the internet or not, but I haven't seen it on the menu at this moment. And the fingerprint on the back, fast battery charging and 15 watts, and this is coming in black color. Yeah, and this is all plastic, and like I said, the price it's around $150. So we got all the apps from the Google, we got app data, we got Asphalt already installed, gallery, Gmail, Google, and we got a few apps already installed. So yeah, probably they installed the global version on this phone, Google Ads, and we got everything system. Yeah, about for Android 9, Lenovo version, RAM 4 and 64 left. Yeah, well, that's it. So this is Lenovo Z6. We're gonna do a few more videos, maybe a few speed tests. We're gonna do a gameplay on this Lenovo Z6 because it's coming with that Snapdragon 710, which they are saying can be quite smooth on playing games. Let's have a look where they're saying, yeah, game performance deep optimization with that Snapdragon 710 on 10 nanometers process. Okay, we're gonna test that out. And that photo video, we're gonna test that 8x hybrid zoom on this phone with this triple camera. So thank you for watching this video. This is the Lenovo Z6 Lite. So this is not the Z6, this is the Lite version, the cheaper one, and I think it's quite a great phone for this price, at least, with all these Android apps and Google apps, which is great again. So thank you again for watching, and see you again on the next one.